Today we'll show you how to repair a latch for the gas cap. This one is a Hyundai Sonata 2016 model, but this should work with many other make and models, including but not limited to Toyota, Honda, etc. I've heard of other people get their gas stolen, but I never thought it would happen to me until now, when it actually happened. Well, I guess it would happen someday, sooner or later. I parked my car in a place where I thought it was safe, but apparently I was wrong. So basically what happens is the cover is pried off. There's a plastic pin that sticks in and out, and it tucks into the hole of the latch on the cover. This pin is broken halfway. Now it's too short to stick into the hole of the latch on the cover. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find a way to extend the plastic pin so that it's long enough to reach the hole on the latch. For that, I'm gonna use 2-part epoxy super glue. This one is made by Defcon. It has 1 part white and 1 black. The reason why I choose this glue is because when it's dry, it will be black, so it will blend in with the plastic pin. So I just mix it together and apply a little bit on it first. Make sure you cover the entire thing and around it. Next, I use a Q-tip and peel some of the cotton and mix it with the glue. Then put it on the plastic pin. The cotton will give the glue the backbone and act more like a rebar in concrete. But more than that, it also absorbs lots of glue, so your glue won't drip down and lose its structure. That way you can extend the plastic pin horizontally without having your glue dripping down. The plastic pin moves in and out, so make sure you don't put too much glue that would interfere with the movement of the pin. The length of the extension will depend on how much is broken on the plastic pin. If you have a lot of material broken off on the plastic pin and you need to extend it longer, you have to do this a couple times. So extend it a little bit and wait for the glue to dry, and then try one more time to extend it a little bit longer. But in my case, I only need to extend it just a little bit, about half a centimeter. So I only have to do this once. And the glue will take about 4 hours to dry and 24 hours to cure. It does take a little bit longer to dry than many similar 2-part epoxy glue. It's been 12 hours. Now it's hard as rock. Moment of truth here. It works. Let's try and open it. There we go. Close. Try and open again. Close. There we go. Looks just fine. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.